How much money could they pay you to shut up?
Some men don't want money, Jack. They just want to watch the world burn. And the world which I want to burn is this corrupt, scumbag, misandric shithole that we've built in these liberal democracies. Every single element of this, the whole story I've told, is corrupt. Head to toe, all of it. We talk about feminism and how women need equal rights. They have more rights than us in every single metric and regard. More men commit suicide, more men go to jail, men have the worst lives. We build the roads, we build the buildings, we die in ditches. I don't want money. I want a minister for men's rights in government. I want all these girls who make fake Me Too accusations to go to jail. I want men to be treated like people. I've been through all of this shit because I was sticking up for men in the beginning, and that's the only way it's gonna end. If they were to come to me with a proposal to drop all that shit, I'd shut up. 50 million doesn't change my life, as they found out 48 hours ago. But they know they're out of options. Besides, take my third leg.